guys, so today I am going to be showing you guys this makeup look right here. This is a tutorial with the Sunrise palette from Focallure. I absolutely love this palette. It's so pretty. And I'm just going to be using a lot of the pinks in here and creating this kind of halo eye with pink lips, and I run you guys through my foundation and everything. Also, I wanted to mention that now I have decided I'm going to be doing shout outs every week on my channel. So comment anything down below, and I will pick one person that comments down below to give a shout out. And I'm also going to give shout outs to all the people that have been very, very supportive of my channel. And one of the #1 people is Forrest. He actually wanted a look with this palette, and I just wanted to let you know that I really appreciate all of your support and watching every video, and you're just so sweet, so thank you so much. And this is a shout out for you. Please subscribe before you leave, and let's just get started. So, when I got this palette, I had to work with it a little bit, but I'm going to be doing something a little bit weird. This palette has something really cool in it. It has a, like a concealer, tacky, smooth shade in this. It's called Limitless, and I'm going to be taking that on my Morphe M423 brush, and I'm going to use this as my base for my eyeshadows today instead of concealer, because this is the product that makes these eyeshadows really pop, but there's some really cool shades in here. I'm excited, and I want to make lots of looks with this palette. This is going to be a little bit more of a neutral pink. Like, it's not going to be like bright Barbie pink. It's going to be more of like a neutral pink smoky eye type of deal, but it's going to be a halo eye because I've never actually done a halo eye before, so this is going to be pretty cool to try out. And now I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild concealer like eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to take the color Punch Pink right here. You can see that, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner of my eye. Just kind of press it. I know this is weird. Put it in the inner corner of my eye and out on my lid, like on the outer crease lid area right here. In my crease with whatever's left on the brush. And I'm using a flat shader brush like this just to pack everything on. And then I'm gonna go in and take this Wet n Wild brush. It's a smaller brush, and I'm gonna use Pure Nude right here, just like this light pinky color. I'm going to put that on my brow bone area right here. If I didn't set this area, the concealer tacky shade would cause any eyeshadow that got on my brow bone to stick there, and then I couldn't blend it out because it would be stuck. I had to set that area so that I could easily blend, and that's what I'm doing now. I'm going to use my Morphe JH40 brush. It's just this nice tapered. And I'm going to take the color Tenderly Light right here. And I'm gonna take a little bit of that and just blend right at the top of where Punch Pink is, and just blend everything out. For the shade, I'm gonna use Pinwheel Galaxy right here. They're pressed glitters, and they're like wet almost, and they're so good. I'm gonna use my Morphe JH42 brush It's just like a really small brush, but before I dip into the eyeshadow, I'm going to go back with just a little bit more of Limitless and cut out my halo eye. Straight line like this. And then I'm going to take the very tip of the brush and kind of go along where my crease would be a little bit. Close to where my crease would be. And make like a C shape. And then I'm not going to wipe the brush off, I'm just going to go right in with Pinwheel Galaxy. So there is one eye done. I'm going to go do my other one off camera and I'll be right back. Now I'm going to move on to my face makeup. I'm going to use my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Now the next thing I'm going to use is this Wet n Wild Photofocus Rose Water Spray. For foundation today, I'm going to use my L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation. And for my sponge today, I'm using this Wet n Wild Beauty Sponge. I'm going to take this Jcat Beauty. This is the You Glow Girl Baked Highlighter, and this one's in the shade Bella Rose. It's just a very nice light pink, beautiful highlighter, and I'm going to put that on the high points of my face. It's going to match the eyes today and the lips and everything. It's all just going to come together. I really love making videos. I don't know why, it's just a passion of mine. I just love coming out with beautiful looks and things like that for you guys. Also, I'm going to use my LA Colors Brow Tint. My L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I'm going to do lips, so I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution Retro Luxe Matte Lip Kit. And this one's in the shade Brandy. So now I'm just gonna go in with the lip. So this is the completed makeup look right here. All pink, all pretty folds. I love this look with the lip and everything. It's so pretty. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next one.